everyone, today I am going to do something very exciting. Do you know what is it? It is a puppet show. The name of my puppet show is The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time in a jungle, there lived a lion named Veera. He was the king of the jungle. One day, the lion Veera was sleeping under a tree. At that time, the mouse named Zilu came and found that the lion was sleeping, and he started playing on the lion. Wee 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 wee. Suddenly, the lion Veera got up with anger, and he found that the mouse Zilu was disturbing him. And lion Veera said, "You silly mouse, you're just a mouse sleep. I'll crush you now." Now Zilu, "No, please forgive me. I won't do it again. Please, please, please leave me. I will surely help when you are in trouble." The lion Veera, "Ha, ha, ha." The lion laughed at the mouse and said, "Okay, Mouse Zilu, you can go now, but don't repeat it again." Mouse Zilu, "Thank you, Lion Veera." The mouse thanked the lion and went off. After some days, one day, a hunter caught the lion Veera. The lion Veera tried to escape. Help me, please, anybody help me." The lion cried. At that time, the mouse Zilu heard lions crying. Mouse Zilu, "Who is crying like this?" "Oh God, this is lion Veera's sound. He is in trouble. I should go and help him." The mouse Zilu reached near the lion Veera and said, "Don't worry, I will help you. I will cut the net with my sharp teeth." Zilu started cutting.